Oh, ayan na. Guys.
Hey guys, what do you guys want for Christmas?
And ano yung gusto niyo sa Paskan? Oh, magsalita kayo. What do you want for Christmas? Anong gusto niyo sa Pasko?
These are the kids of my wife's brother in the Philippines. We're going to put you on YouTube. What do you guys want for Christmas?
What I want for Christmas is shoes.
You want some
And
shoes?
baby.
We can send you some. We'll send you money so you guys can buy shoes, okay? And some Christmas candy
Yeah.
and some gifts and stuff, okay?
Thank you.
We'll send some money today.
Leon.
Today?
Leon.
Yeah, we'll send it today. Well, at our time. See, it's like 4:45 in the morning over here in America. It's afternoon, so you probably won't get it till tomorrow.
Good evening.
Huh? What did you say?
Our time today is 5:45 in evening.
See, it's 4:45 a.m. in the morning over here.
Yeah.
So when the bank opens, we'll send you guys some money.
So, thank you.
Okay, so you guys can get some shoes and basketballs or candy or whatever you guys want.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna put you on YouTube. Okay, so
Everybody crunch in. Everybody crunch in. Baka kayo sa camera lahat. Oh, come on.
okay, what? Oh, well, good for you.
Hello.
You like the shoes?
Hi.
Teka.
Hello.
Hold on.
Janin.
Oh, teka. Laki. Wow, saan yung sapatos niyo?
Daliga.
Oh, they're nice looking shoes. You got a star on it.
Yeah.
Ito.
The other one. What's it doing?
Step brother po namin.
Nasaan na? Oh, why? Saan yung sapatos ninyo? Yun. That's the other one.
Oh,
Oh, they're there. There's the other one.
Dito kasi yung isa. Oh, tapos ayun ko naman.
Ayan na. You see?
Yung pati daw yung binili ni baby.
Ayan na. Oh, may migyan.
oh, you got some socks too. That's good.
Ha?
It's nice looking shoes. Oh, the other one have the same color.
Uh-huh.
Huwag mo, Josh. Floor. Mapagyan na dumi yan.
That's why it's getting dirty.
Thank you. Lahat, ito po yung kay baby.
Okay.
Well, I'm glad you got the shoes. You don't have to go barefooted anymore.
Umorder ba po?
Ha?
Ikaw nga magkausap si tita pala eh. Tita, pinamili na nila yung ano.
Ayan, binibigyo na. Binibigyo na ng kuya mo.
Pinili po nila, hindi pa po, marami pa po silang in-order. Ayun po, Yung pan-drawing ko po, Lola, ano po, dadating po.
We'll put this on YouTube.
Did you upload the video? Wala pa.
You-
Ito yung kanya.
Okay, I'm glad the kids got the shoes.
Yeah. I have two shoes. This is mine.
Oh, the other one got two shoes.
Okay, I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Yes. I'm gonna watch it. We are gonna watch it and like, comment, and share, subscribe.
Okay, we're glad you got the shoes.